Welcome back to American Air Gunner. When we hear the fine folks back home like yourself, you want to see the badass air guns that we shoot on this channel, come under review.
What's up, air gunners?
That's why I'm here, Chad Kettner. I'm going to bring my extensive knowledge of competition shooting, writing for the air gun industry, as well as running my own review channel for the past 5 years, the Air Gun Advisor. Well, all that knowledge is coming home now. It's coming home to American Air Gunner. And we're going to be bringing you some of the best reviews on some of the best air guns on the market today. I'm down here at the range shooting the Daystate Huntsman Revere. Got the MTC King Cobra optics on it. And I really just was curious to see what I could pull off at 100 yards. Make sure that trigger pull stays smooth, those pellets fly straight. That includes the likes of Raw, Daystate, FX, Caliber Gun, Benjamin, and more. Let's not forget about the fine accessories too from JSB and Hawk Optics. Guys, it's all coming.
First time, baby! Yeah!
And when it comes out, you're going to want to sit back in that easy chair, grab some popcorn, and enjoy the show. So right now, take a second, hit that subscribe button, because this is going to be one heck of a fun ride. And until we get there, though, go outside and have some fun. Go shoot an air gun!